Hey guys, it's Greenbaywacky here. I've got another life lesson for you on YouTube here that I think you're going to want to hear. Stick with me till the end. Don't click off this video. It's going to be 2 minutes or less. I'm going to talk about a subject that I think you can relate to. You've done it, you've heard of it, or you've seen it. So either way, I think it'll apply to you. And if you haven't, I applaud you, okay? I'm going to talk real quick about sub for sub. Now, before you leave, it's not what you think I'm going to say about sub for sub, okay? Now, I'm not against networking. I'm not against the sub for sub thing. People do it all the time. No big deal. You want to grow your channel. I get it. But here's what I'm against, and this has got to stop. Look, guys, I've had some talks with other channels about this, and at first we kind of laughed it off like, oh, it's just kids doing that. But you know what? It's not. The reality is it's adults, teenagers, kids, tons of people. This is what they're doing. This is what some of you are doing. It's got to stop, or we're going to start throwing you out of the chat. I swear. That's how much I'm really getting annoyed with this. You can follow people, you can support people, you can subscribe to people, and you can even tell them in the chat, I followed you, I supported you, I subscribed to you, but you do not now own that person. You do not have the right to demand a subscription back. You do not have the right to say, I subscribed to you, so therefore, please give me a sub back right now. I followed you, please follow me back immediately. Guys, I see this in the chats, and I've actually seen some people start fighting about it. People are feeling pressure. You have to remember, there's a lot of different emotional states that people are in when they come into live stream chats. Not everyone is there to, do the sub for sub thing, the network for network thing. Some people, believe it or not, just like the host, they want to relax, they want to chill out. If you follow someone, if you network with someone, if you subscribe to someone, and you say to them in the chat, I followed you, I networked with you, I subbed, whatever it was, that's it. You do not have the right to say, please do so back immediately. Please follow me back. Please subscribe back. No, you don't have the right to do that. Stop it. I mean it. Stop doing that. I see it all the time. It's got to stop, guys. You cannot pressure people. Some people are getting so pressured. They've come to me and other channels in emails and say, guys, what do you think I should do? I'm in these chats and people are pressuring me to subscribe back to them. I don't even know them. I don't want to subscribe back to them. I'm very selective on who I subscribe to. You have that right. You don't have to, and you don't need to be badgered and pressured. Stop it, guys, okay? Please, I'm telling you, if you're doing this, eliminate. All you got to do, you can still follow people, subscribe to people, and all that. You just don't say, so therefore you must do it back. That's it. That's the life lesson for this one from Greenbaywacky. I'll see you again. Check out some of my videos, by the way. I have comedy videos. I'm not always serious like this. All right, I have great music. See ya.